You can find a full list of the products I use for this project, as well as a step-by-step tutorial on my website by clicking on the link below this video. As you can see, this desk is already in place and I'm just demonstrating how to add the brackets. First is finding a stud on the wall. Next is placing the bracket on the wall where the stud will be located and marking where the stud will be. Then take a drill with a 1/8 drill bit and drill through those marked locations. You'll be able to tell if you hit a stud because there will be wood residue inside the drill bit. Now it's time to secure the bracket to the wall with screws. It is helpful to have a 90-degree attachment for this. Once the bracket's installed onto the wall, you'll also attach it to the boards. Because I'm using two boards together, I am using a tie to attach the two boards together.